In a state that lies so far inland, many people may find it hard to believe that Illinois is home to one of the largest port cities in the United States. She is, in fact, the fifth largest state in the Union with nearly 13 million citizens, according to the 2010 census. Where this many people live, commerce will thrive in order to meet the demands of the population. This makes for a booming industry in car sales, where there are over 700,000 commuters on the road in any given day. With this many drivers, there is going to be major movement in car sales throughout the year. And where the average cost of a new car is about $26,000, most people will be shopping for financing to make their car choices affordable. In Illinois, auto loans are a part of the car buying process for most people. Even high-income earners will opt for an auto loan if no other reason than reducing the stress such a large purchase can put on a household budget, even a big budget. For a modest amount of interest over a relatively short term, an auto loan can spread out the cost without going beyond the value of the car being purchased, making it an economical investment. In the case of loans made to people with bad credit, the options available for auto loans in Illinois make it possible to afford a new or newer car with interest rates and loan costs that don't break the bank. There are over 800 banking institutions in Illinois, with most of those serving individual consumers. This creates a highly competitive market where each lender is trying to sell auto loans at bargained rates to almost any customer willing to fill out an application. Certainly not everyone in need of an auto loan is going to get one, but the chances are good that anyone who makes it clear that they pay their bills can get auto financing at reasonable terms and conditions. What can confuse many consumers is looking at auto loans as a product. It doesn't always occur to car buyers that an auto loan can be shopped for in the same way that they can shop for a car. Like the sales staff at any car dealership, loan agents can be negotiated with in order to get more favorable interest rates and reduce loan costs. Bargaining is a way of life for any vendor, and loan agents are no different. Cheaper versus inexpensive auto loans are a matter of where a prospective borrower goes to find auto loans. A consumer in Illinois can find reputable lenders and disreputable lenders, and a cheap auto loan can result in hidden costs that make the loan not so cheap, or not as comprehensive as the borrower would have hoped. Nationally known lenders are, in general, a safer place for the consumer to begin the loan process, since they're in command of larger resources than local lenders, with the ability to bring those resources to bear should problems arise in the loan agreement. Local lenders may not command those same assets, but they can be more responsive to a consumer on a case-by-case basis due to their presence with a customer's community and offer more flexible conditions tailored to a customer's individual finances. The market in Illinois auto loans is big enough to encompass nearly any kind of consumer in any lending category. With some basic shopping discipline, a consumer can take advantage of the wide range of auto loans available from the hundreds of lenders in the state. Illinois citizens are in a unique position to find auto loans that offer value and security in purchasing a new car, no matter what the credit standing of the prospective borrower is. There's no need for that person to dive into the first auto loan that comes along. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.